Hello, and welcome to this presentation about preparing the software library in Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control. IaaS enables rapid and managed deployment of servers in a virtualized environment. A number of configuration tasks must be performed before servers can be deployed, as shown in this diagram. This presentation describes software library preparation, which involves checking and/or verifying referenced file locations for file server and creating a folder in the library for users and other administrators. The Oracle Cloud Administrator is responsible for creating referenced file locations. However, you must coordinate with the Cloud Administrator in the creation of referenced file locations and make sure they are correctly defined for use. You can create folders in the software library to separate or share resources as necessary. These are self-service administrator activities shown in the gray box. These are among the first activities supporting server deployment. With Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control, the software library can contain template, assembly, and related files, and the software library can store references to storage elsewhere on the network. A referenced file location is a description and uniform resource locator, or URL, of a server from which virtualization components can be imported into Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control. The self-service administrator pushes component files into the server file system, then provides the URL to the file location. From here, users import the files where they can be further processed for deployment. The software library is organized as a hierarchical set of folders that allow the customer administrator to arrange and manage access to components. The customer administrator creates folders for sharing or for isolating software components. This screen capture shows a number of referenced file locations. You must ask the Oracle Cloud Administrator to provide this information to you. Make sure any servers or locations within server file systems are defined as you need them. Additional referenced file locations can be created as needed by the Oracle Cloud Administrator. It is the Customer Administrator who is responsible for ensuring the servers are set up for users of Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control. Navigate to the software library and create a folder. Start at the Setup menu. Navigate through Provisioning and Patching, and click Software Library. The Library Administration page appears, so click on the Software Library link under the label at the top left of the screen to display the library. We want the folder under the Software Library root, so click the Software Library list entry. Click the Actions menu, and then click Create Folder. Enter a name for the folder. Here, enter a sales folder. We also provide a short description that lets users know this is for the sales marketing tenant. You can change the parent folder too if necessary. Click OK. The folder now appears in the software library and is ready to use. Dismiss the informational message at the top of the screen by clicking the small X in the upper right corner. You have seen how to set up a referenced file location and how to create a folder for arranging access to virtualization components such as templates and assemblies. This ends the presentation. Thank you for watching.